So just doing a quick mobility series you can do anywhere when you're traveling. So this one here, just working on the squat. You need to work on your squat every day. So if you can't squat too deep or you're a bit tired, just use the hands on the knees. Come down, but try and get down into this position for at least a minute. Mobilize those ankles, the hips. If anything's too sore, obviously don't force it, but just want to maintain this position or improve the position by working on it each day. Another really good one to do each day is just a hip mobilization. Just going side to side, working each side like that. You can make it more static if you've got a tight spot, or keep it dynamic. Then the other one is just a nice lunge stretch to open up those hip flexors. Just prolonged sitting will always tighten through there. Big breath in, exhale, drive the hips forward, and reach the arm up. Stretch out that whole side. So those, and then the last one, just the bend stretch and a shoulder opening. It's nice to do it on a handrail, so that way you can get some traction, or anything that, back of a chair, something that's not going to move, that's nice and solid. So that way you can get your bend stretch, but also stretch your back out. If the hamstrings are a bit tight, just bend the knees. But you want to lengthen, and then you want to drop the shoulders down. You can change the width. But you really want to try and open up those shoulders, pull those ribs in. Really try and open up those hamstrings. So if you can get those done every day, you'll really do a lot for your mobility and your alignment, and while you're traveling, just avoid that unnecessary excessive tension that occurs from being stagnant or from prolonged sitting. So really simple, shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to get into those and actually really breathe into them, use the breath to relax and stretch further. Enjoy, get it done.